Welcome back to Brainwaves, the channel that explores the fascinating workings of the human mind. In today's video, we will be delving into the captivating world of shoe manufacturing. Have you ever wondered how those stylish and comfortable pairs of shoes are made? Well, you're in the right place. In this episode of Brainwaves, we will take you through the step-by-step process of how shoes are created, from the initial design phase to the finishing touches. Get ready to walk in the footsteps of shoe manufacturing. Welcome back to our video on how shoes are made. In the design phase, which is the first step of shoe manufacturing, shoe designers unleash their creativity to bring innovative styles to life. They begin by carefully considering the target audience and the intended purpose of the shoe. By combining their artistic vision with an understanding of market trends, designers create sketches and 3D models that serve as blueprints for the production process. These designs incorporate various elements like style, comfort, and functionality, ensuring that the final product is not only visually appealing but also practical for everyday use. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of shoe design. Once the shoe designers have a clear vision, they begin the process of sketching the shoe design. Using hand-drawn techniques or computer-aided design (CAD) software, designers meticulously transfer their creative ideas onto paper or a digital canvas. The sketches serve as a visual representation of the desired shoe design, capturing details like the shape, silhouette, and specific design elements such as patterns or embellishments. These sketches act as a starting point for the next stage of the design process, allowing designers to refine and finalize the concept before moving on to the creation of 3D models. After the initial sketches are complete, shoe designers move on to creating 3D models of the shoe design. Using specialized software, designers bring their sketches to life by constructing digital models with precise measurements and proportions. These 3D models allow designers to visualize the design in a three-dimensional space, rotate it, and view it from different angles. This digital representation of the shoe design helps designers assess the overall aesthetics and make adjustments as needed. It also serves as a crucial communication tool between the designers and the manufacturing team, ensuring that everyone involved understands the intended design before proceeding to the production stage. When it comes to designing shoes, style plays a crucial role. Shoe designers carefully consider the latest fashion trends, customer preferences, and brand aesthetics to incorporate style elements into their designs. This could involve choosing particular color palettes, experimenting with various textures and materials, and incorporating unique patterns or prints. Style elements can also include details like stitching techniques, eye-catching embellishments, or innovative closures. By thoughtfully incorporating these style elements, shoe designers create designs that not only stand out but also appeal to the target market. In addition to style, shoe designers prioritize comfort and functionality in their designs. They carefully consider factors such as foot anatomy, ergonomics, and biomechanics to ensure that the shoes provide a comfortable fit and proper support. This involves designing features like cushioning, arch support, and adequate toe room. Furthermore, functionality is essential to meet the specific needs of different shoe types. For example, running shoes may incorporate shock-absorbing technology, while hiking boots might have durable soles and enhanced traction. By balancing style with comfort and functionality, shoe designers create footwear that not only looks great but also performs well in various scenarios. Welcome back to our exploration of the shoe manufacturing process. After finalizing the design, the next crucial step is material selection. This phase involves carefully choosing the appropriate materials to bring the shoe design to life. The choice of materials plays a significant role in determining the overall quality, comfort, and durability of the shoes. Shoe manufacturers consider factors like the desired outcome of the shoe, its intended use, and the target market. By selecting the right type of leather, fabric, sole, and other components, they ensure that the finished product meets the expectations of both the designers and the consumers. When it comes to selecting the right materials for shoes, choosing the appropriate type of leather is of utmost importance. Leather is a popular choice due to its durability, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal. Shoe manufacturers consider various factors like the desired look, comfort, and cost when selecting the leather type. Different types of leather such as full grain, top grain, and suede offer unique characteristics and textures that contribute to the overall design and style of the shoe. By carefully choosing the right type of leather, shoe manufacturers ensure that the shoes not only look great but also provide the desired level of comfort and longevity. Apart from leather, shoe manufacturers carefully select the fabric and other materials to complement the design and functionality of the shoe. Fabrics like canvas, mesh, or knit are often chosen for athletic shoes due to their breathability and flexibility. For dress shoes, manufacturers may opt for luxurious materials like satin or silk to enhance the elegance and sophistication. Additionally, other components like linings, insoles, and padding materials are selected to provide comfort and support. The choice of materials is essential in ensuring that the shoes meet the desired comfort, durability, and performance standards. The sole of a shoe plays a crucial role in determining its comfort, stability, and traction. When selecting the ideal sole material, shoe manufacturers consider factors like the type of shoe, intended use, and desired features. Common sole materials include rubber, EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate, and TPU, thermoplastic polyurethane. Rubber soles provide excellent grip and durability, making them suitable for athletic and outdoor shoes. EVA is lightweight and offers cushioning, making it ideal for running and casual shoes. TPU combines flexibility and durability, often used in high-performance athletic shoes. By carefully evaluating various sole materials, shoe manufacturers ensure that the chosen sole provides the optimal combination of comfort and functionality. In addition to leather, fabric, and sole, there are several other components that play a vital role in the overall construction and functionality of the shoe. One key component is the lining, which can be made of materials like leather, suede, or synthetic fabrics. The lining adds to the comfort and breathability of the shoe. Another important component is the insole, which provides cushioning and support to the foot. The choice of insole materials can vary from foam to gel inserts, depending on the desired level of comfort. Additionally, shoe manufacturers carefully select other components like laces, eyelets, buckles, zippers, and adhesives to ensure the durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal of the final product. Welcome back to our journey through the shoe manufacturing process. In Step 3, we will explore the crucial stage of cutting the materials. After carefully selecting the appropriate materials, it's time to transform them into the individual parts of the shoe. Using specific dies or templates, manufacturers cut the materials to create components such as the shoe's upper, lining, sole, and any other additional elements. This precise cutting process ensures that each part is accurately shaped and sized according to the design specifications. The accuracy and precision of the cuts are critical in achieving a high-quality final product. Now, let's dive into the different aspects of cutting the materials to understand how this step contributes to the overall shoe production process. One of the key components of a shoe is the upper, which covers the top part of the foot. During the cutting stage, the upper material is carefully cut according to the predetermined patterns and templates. Shoe manufacturers use specific dies or cutting machines to ensure precise and uniform cuts. The upper may consist of different pieces that need to be accurately cut, such as the vamp, quarters, toe box, and heel counter. The material used for the upper can vary depending on the design and functionality of the shoe, ranging from leather and synthetic materials to fabric or mesh for athletic footwear. By cutting the upper with precision, shoe manufacturers lay the foundation for the assembly and stitching processes that will follow. In addition to cutting the upper, shoe manufacturers also cut the lining and other components required for the shoe assembly. The lining, which is the inner layer of the shoe, is typically made from materials like leather, fabric, or synthetic materials. It provides added comfort, helps with moisture management, and gives the shoe a finished appearance from the inside. Similar to the upper, the lining material is carefully cut into specific patterns using dies or templates. Besides the lining, other components like padding material, insoles, reinforcements, and various reinforcements are also cut during this stage. These components are crucial in providing cushioning, support, and structural integrity to the shoe. By cutting these materials precisely, manufacturers ensure that each component fits together seamlessly during the assembly process. The sole of a shoe is an essential part that provides protection, support, and traction. During the cutting stage, the sole material is prepared, ensuring it is the right size and shape for the shoe being produced. The selected sole material, which can be rubber, EVA, or TPU, is placed on a cutting machine or table. The die or template specific to the sole design is carefully positioned, and pressure is applied to cut the sole material accurately. Different parts of the sole, such as the outsole, midsole, and insole, may be cut separately or as a single unit, depending on the shoe construction method. The outsole, which comes into direct contact with the ground, is typically made of durable and slip-resistant materials. The midsole provides cushioning and often incorporates technologies for shock absorption and stability. By preparing the sole with precise cutting techniques, shoe manufacturers ensure that it fits perfectly with the upper and other components during the assembly process. Welcome to the exciting stage of shoe assembly. Once the materials have been cut into the desired shapes and sizes, it's time to bring them together to create the final structure of the shoe. Shoe assembly involves various techniques such as stitching, gluing, and heat sealing, depending on the design and construction method. Different parts of the shoe, including the upper, lining, sole, and additional components, are carefully stitched or glued together. Stitching techniques can vary from traditional hand stitching to more advanced machine stitching, ensuring a secure and durable bond between the parts. Gluing is often used for attaching components like insoles, padding, and reinforcement materials. Heat sealing techniques, like welding and bonding, are employed to fuse certain types of materials together, providing strength and water resistance. By skillfully combining these assembly techniques, shoe manufacturers create a cohesive and functional final product that's ready to step out into the world. One of the primary techniques used in shoe assembly is stitching. Stitching is a versatile method that involves joining different parts of the shoe together using needles and thread. Various stitching techniques are employed, depending on the type of material, design, and desired aesthetics of the shoe. Traditional hand stitching involves skilled artisans meticulously sewing the parts together using specialized needles and strong threads. This technique provides strength, durability, and precision in joining the components. On the other hand, machine stitching offers faster and more consistent results, making it suitable for high-volume production. Different types of stitches, such as lock stitch, chain stitch, and overlock stitch, may be used depending on the requirements of the shoe. These stitches vary in their appearance and strength, ensuring that the shoe is held together securely while also adding decorative elements. By utilizing various stitching techniques, shoe manufacturers create shoes that are not only structurally sound but also visually pleasing. In addition to stitching, shoe assembly involves the use of gluing and heat sealing techniques to create a secure bond between different components of the shoe. These techniques are particularly beneficial for attaching materials that cannot be stitched or to provide additional strength and water resistance. Gluing involves the application of adhesive substances to bond various parts together. Shoe manufacturers carefully select adhesives based on factors such as the type of materials being joined, desired flexibility, and durability. The adhesive is applied to the surfaces to be attached, and pressure is applied to ensure a strong and lasting bond. Modern adhesives are formulated to withstand various environmental conditions, ensuring that the shoe remains intact over time. Heat sealing, on the other hand, is a process that uses heat to bond certain types of materials. By applying controlled heat and pressure, the materials are fused together, creating a strong and seamless connection. This technique is commonly used for synthetic materials and can provide excellent water resistance. Through the combination of stitching, gluing, and heat sealing, shoe manufacturers achieve a robust and reliable shoe structure. After the various components have been stitched, glued, and heat sealed together, the shoe structure begins to take its final form. This step involves carefully inspecting and ensuring that all the parts are properly aligned and securely fastened. Any excess materials or threads are trimmed to provide a clean and polished appearance. Furthermore, shoe manufacturers pay attention to various finishing touches. This includes smoothing and polishing the edges of the shoe, reinforcing specific areas that may undergo higher stress or wear, and adding any desired embellishments or branding elements. In addition to the structural aspects, manufacturers often conduct quality control checks during the finalization stage. This involves examining the shoe for any defects, addressing any imperfections, and ensuring that the shoe meets the desired standards of comfort, durability, and aesthetics. Once the shoe structure is finalized, it is ready for the next steps in the production process, such as adding the outsole, inserting the insole, and performing any necessary final treatments or coatings. Welcome to the final step of the shoe manufacturing process, finishing. After the shoes have been assembled, they undergo a series of processes to give them a refined appearance and ensure their quality before they are packaged and shipped to customers. Finishing involves various techniques such as cleaning, buffing, polishing, and detailing. These processes are carried out to remove any remaining debris, smooth out imperfections, and enhance the overall aesthetics of the shoes. Additionally, finishing helps protect the materials and improves their durability. In this segment, we will explore each of these finishing techniques in detail, uncovering the steps manufacturers take to give their shoes a professional and appealing finish. Cleaning and preparation is an essential step in the shoe finishing process. After the shoes have been assembled, they may have accumulated dust, dirt, or other contaminants. Cleaning ensures that the shoes are free from any unwanted particles and ready for further finishing treatments. The cleaning process starts by inspecting the shoes for any visible dirt or stains. Shoe manufacturers use various cleaning techniques and solutions depending on the materials used in the shoes. For instance, brushes, cloths, or gentle detergents may be used for leather or fabric shoes, while specialized cleaning methods may be employed for more delicate or intricate materials. Once the shoes are thoroughly cleaned and all stains and marks have been removed, they are prepared for the next stages of finishing, such as buffing, polishing, and detailing. This includes drying the shoes properly to ensure no moisture remains, as it could affect subsequent treatments. By dedicating attention to cleaning and preparation, manufacturers ensure that the shoes have a fresh and pristine appearance, ready to receive the final finishing touches. Once the shoes are properly cleaned and prepared, they move on to the next stage of finishing, which involves buffing, polishing, and detailing. These techniques enhance the visual appeal of the shoes and give them a refined look. Buffing is the process of using a rotating wheel or brush to rub the surface of the shoes, typically with a polishing compound. This helps to smooth out any imperfections, remove small scratches, and create a uniform appearance. Buffing can bring out the natural shine of materials like leather and give them a lustrous finish. Polishing further enhances the shine and appearance of the shoes. It involves applying polish, which can be a liquid, cream, or wax, to the surface and then buffing it to a shine. Polishing not only adds a beautiful gloss but also helps seal and protect the shoes from elements. Detailing is the final touch in the finishing process. It includes carefully inspecting the shoes and attending to any remaining imperfections or flaws. This may involve using specialized tools to clean hard-to-reach areas, applying edge dressing to the shoe edges for a neat look, and adding any necessary touch-ups to ensure the shoes meet the desired quality standards. Through buffing, polishing, and detailing, shoe manufacturers achieve a refined and attractive appearance, giving their shoes the perfect finishing touch. Before the shoes are ready to be packaged and shipped, they undergo a final round of quality control checks. These checks are crucial to ensure that the shoes meet the desired standards of appearance, comfort, and overall quality. During the final quality control checks, trained inspectors carefully examine each pair of shoes to identify any potential defects or issues. They meticulously scrutinize the shoes for any visible imperfections, such as stitching irregularities, uneven polish, or color discrepancies. Additionally, they check for proper alignment, symmetry, and overall aesthetic appeal. In addition to visual inspection, the shoes may also undergo functional tests. For example, the flexibility and durability of the soles may be assessed, the smoothness of closures like zippers or laces may be checked, and comfort factors such as cushioning and padding may be evaluated. By conducting these comprehensive quality control checks, manufacturers can guarantee that the shoes not only look great but also meet the high-quality standards that customers expect. And that's a wrap on our exploration of how shoes are made. We hope you found this journey into the world of shoe manufacturing informative and fascinating. From the initial design to the final finishing touches, the process is a careful blend of artistry, craftsmanship, and technological advancements. Each pair of shoes you slip into represents countless hours of dedication and attention to detail from the talented individuals involved in their creation. So next time you put on your favorite pair of shoes, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process behind their making. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Brainwaves, and remember to stay curious.